Welcome back to Overheat, 2026 Winnebago Motorhome, an opulent and interconnected vacation destination, aerodynamic and contemporary external design. In addition to increasing fuel efficiency, exterior lines will become more aerodynamic to give the vehicle a sleeker, more contemporary look. Lighting, adaptive LED technology with a futuristic look is probably going to be used for the headlights and taillights. Storage, more effective exterior storage spaces will be created, perhaps utilizing a sliding shelf system. Elegant and versatile interior design layout. There will be more adaptable sleeping and living arrangements inside the more flexible interior layout. Materials, using sustainable and high-quality materials will be a top priority. Interior lighting. LED lighting systems that can be adjusted in hue and intensity will produce a variety of moods. Entertainment, navigation, vehicle control, and entertainment. Music and video will all be integrated into sophisticated infotainment systems with huge touchscreens. Comfort, roof ventilation with a rain sensor and an improved dual-zone climate control system. Elegant and practical kitchens, appliances, energy-efficient appliances such microwave convection ovens, induction cooktops, and refrigerators with bigger capacities and intelligent capabilities like inventory monitoring will be installed in kitchens. Storage, with full-height pull-out drawers, revolving shelves, and vertical storage options. Cabinet designs will optimize storage space. Intelligent technology and networking, centralized control system. It's probable that the 2026 motorhome will include a centralized control system that lets users control the lighting, heating, awning, leveling, entertainment system, and other features of the vehicle with a touchscreen, smartphone app, or even voice commands. Connectivity, strong 5G and Wi-Fi connectivity will enable residents to use the internet for communication, work, and leisure.